नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena. Today I am going to take a lecture on the module Introduction to Theory of Games. This module is from the course Operation Research under the program BBA and BBA LLB 6th semester, and faculty is Law and Governance. First of all, we see the definition of game theory. Game theory is the process of modeling the strategy interaction between two or more players in a situation containing set rules and outcomes. While used in a number of disciplines, game theory is most notable used as a tool within the study of economics. The economics application of game theory can be valuable tool to aid in the fundamental analysis of industries, sectors, and any strategic interaction between two or more firms. So game theory is an important part of the business, and it is useful in various fields. In competitive fields, game theory can be applied. Here we will take an introductory look at game theory and the terms involved, and we introduce you to a simple method of solving games called backwards induction. So now we take some definitions of game theory. There are some small definitions of game theory. So anytime we have a situation with two or more players that involves known payouts or quantifiable consequences, we can use game theory to help determine the most likely outcomes. Let's start by defining a few terms commonly used in the study of game theory. So first we see the various definitions. So game, any set of circumstances that has a result dependent on the actions of two or more decision makers, players. So now we take the definition of player. What is meaning of player? That is a word which is commonly used in the chapter game theory. So now we are going to familiar what is meaning of player. A strategic decision maker within the context of the game. So player is a strategic decision maker and in the context of the game. Now we take next definition, strategy. A complete plan of action a player will take given the set of circumstances that might arise within the game. Now payoff. The payout a player receives from arriving at a particular outcome. The payout can be in any quantifiable form dollars to utility. So payoff means it is a payout a player receives after completion of the game here or particular outcome. Now information set. The information available at a given point in the game. The term information set is most usually applied when the game has a sequential component. And now see, we take the definition of equilibrium. The point in a game where both players have made their decisions and an outcome is reached. So equilibrium is like a point when the outcome is reached and both the players have made their decisions. Now assumptions in game theory. So now we take assumptions. What assumptions should be taken to solve the problem of a game theory? As with any concept in economics, there is an assumption of rationality. There is also an assumption of maximization. It is assumed that players within the game are rational and will strive to maximize their payoffs in the game. So these are the assumptions in the game theory, and with these assumptions game players will start the game. When examining games that are already set up, it is assumed on your behalf that payouts listed include the sum of all payoffs associated with that outcome. This will exclude any what if questions that may arise. The number of players in a game can theoretically be infinite. So in the game, infinite players can take participate, but most games will be put into the context of the two players. One of the simplest game is a sequential game involving only two players. So we have seen so many definitions here in this part today. In the game theory is a very important chapter, and it is a part of management and various fields of engineering here. So game theory is useful in the field of competitive environment here. So by this businessmen here can make their decisions in a good manner or with well order. So we have taken this topic here, and this session powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I think hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the context comment box, and I will solve it here. Your problems, your doubts. Thank you.